Hi, it's Leigh here. I'm back again with another watercolour doodly page. So I'm using the same set of watercolours that I used in my previous video. So, and as I said previously, I'm not an expert in watercolours. I'm just playing around with them really. But I got my inspiration to do this from a channel called Susan Rose Art, and I'll put a link in the video description box. And she makes some lovely pages. She uses all sorts of mixed media, and I really love the work that she does. So I know other people do watercolor squares and circles and decorate them, but there was just something about the way she did hers that I really liked. So the first one that I did was quite brightly coloured, and this one is more blues and greens, so it's a nice sort of tranquil colour. I'm also using a different paper to before. This one is a cheaper watercolour pad, or mixed media pad, than the other one, which was done in a Winsor & Newton mixed media journal. This is also a different colour paper. It's an ivory coloured paper. The other one was done on white, which suited the bright colours better. But I do love this one as well. So start off with the squares. Hopefully they're in the centre sort of the page. I noticed the other one wasn't anywhere near the centre. I think maybe if I'm doing 9 squares again, I'll start by putting the centre one in the second row, and the second row down, and the second column across, and go out from that way, and then I'll get it right in the centre. Not that it matters. It's just it's just something to relax with, and to help probably get to know the colours on this palette of watercolours, because it's only a cheap one. Got it from Temu. The colours are really good. There's lots of colours on there. There's 100 different colours, so you might see me hesitate when I go to pick up the paint. It's because I can't make up my mind which paint to use. So this set is actually on the right hand side. They're all metallics and fluoros, and yeah, it's quite a good set. So a big welcome to everybody, and thank you for joining me again, and a warm hello to anyone who's here for the first time. If you've been following me along, you know that I just like to play around with my art supplies. I like to make journals and anything really. I love gel printing, so being creative one form or another is what I like to do. So I thought for the month of May I might do something special, like just have a series throughout May, and I've just been looking at a few things to see about the significance of May and why it's a special month and so forth. So I'm going to make a journal specifically for May. I'll be making the journal in a video, so you can make one as well if you want to. And then I'll be, during the month of May, doing some of the pages in it, probably 1 or 2 a week, something like that. So I don't know what my month is going to be called, but I'll come up with a name before too much longer and let you all know about it. And I hope that you'll join in with me too. So if you do end up making a journal or play along with me during the month of May, and you post your creations on social media, make sure you tag me, because I love to see what you've done. And yeah, that'll be great. Anyway, I'm going to let this roll on, and I'll see you at the end. Oh, this is nearly finished. I love these colours. They worked really well. You know, I didn't really like this one as I was doing it when I first started putting the colours down, but now I see how beautifully they all work together. I love the flowers. They're just made up, of course, so they're nothing really, just doodling. I've used the big Posca pen and the little black acrylic pen, and I think this is really pleasing and calming and easily achievable. So have a go at doing something like this. It's beautifully relaxing, and I've left it in real time so you know exactly how long it's going to take you to do this, and you're not missing out on any steps. The only bits I cut out was when I wasn't actually doing anything, and when I dried it. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you will give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, and if you're new here, that you'll subscribe to the channel and tune in for some more videos. So happy creating, everybody, and I'll let you know about the May thing, and until then, hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!